Today my name is Layla Rain. Today I'm reading Baby Bear, what do you see? I see a baby bear, what do you see? I see a red fox looking at me. Red fox, what do you see? I see a squirrel looking at me. Squirrel, what do you see? I see a goat looking at me. Goat, what do you see? I see a groundhog look at me. Groundhog, what do you see? I see a skunk looking at me. Skunk, what do you see? I see a reindeer looking at me. Reindeer, what do you see? I see a snake looking at me. Snake, what do you see? I see an owl looking at me. Owl, what do you see? I see a mama bear. I see a mama bear. Bear, what do you see? I see a red fox and a squirrel and a goat and a blue hornet looking at me, and a and a groundhog looking at me, and a skunk looking at me, and a reindeer looking at me, and a snake looking at me, and an owl and a baby bear looking at me. The end. Okay, guys, next is Polar Bear, what do you see? Polar Bear, Panda Bear, what do you see? I see... No, it hasn't started. Hi guys, I'm gonna read. Panda Bear. I'm gonna read Panda Bear looking at me. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started. Panda Bear, what do you see? I see a eagle looking at me. Eagle, what do you see? I see a water buffalo looking at me. Buffalo, what do you see? I see a spider monkey looking at me. Spider monkey, what do you see? I see a green sea turtle looking at me. Green turtle, what do you see? I see a penguin looking at me. Penguin, a noodle penguin looking at me. Noodle penguin, what do you see? Green sea turtle, what do you see? I see a saddy penguin looking at me. What do you see? see Sadie Penguin. I see a sea lion looking at me. Sea lion, what do you see? I see a red wolf looking at me. Red wolf, what do you see? I see a white gander looking at me. White gander, what do you see? I see a black lion, black bear looking at me. Black bear, what do you see? I see brown. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed my stories.
Give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this video or not.